Now you will see how to connect Bybit to TradingView easily and how to set up a webhook signal trading bot on Bybit step by step. First, you probably want to get a little bit of background about Bybit and TradingView. Bybit is one of the top crypto exchanges in the universe, as you can see right here, by multiple different metrics. They have tens of millions of users worldwide. You can see that the daily trading volume is measured in billions of dollars, and they have over $10 billion assets under management. As my subscriber, you can get welcome rewards to Bybit using my link in the description right here below the video. TradingView, on the other hand, is the leading platform for charts and traders worldwide. They have over 30 million monthly active users, and they offer numerous pre-built indicators, as you can see right here. TradingView offers a convenient integration with numerous different top exchanges in the universe: Binance, Bybit, OKX, and other ones. As my YouTube subscriber, you will receive a $15 discount for TradingView when you use my link in the description below the video, and they also have free memberships available. Now let's go through how you can connect these two platforms, Bybit and TradingView, and why would you want to do it in the first place. First of all, it can save you a lot of time, because if you are analyzing charts and indicators here on TradingView and then you are doing the trading on Bybit, you may need to have two platforms, but now you can integrate them and you can do the trading within one platform directly. TradingView also provides more trading tools, and you can also use automated trading bots with their pre-built indicators. And now there are two options how you can do the connection. When you come into the TradingView website, you can simply click here brokers. Here you can click crypto. You can scroll down a little bit and here you can see Bybit. When you click that one, you will learn more details about Bybit, and then you can click here trade. And then it opens for you this connection view. Alternatively, if you are already here analyzing the charts, you can choose a trading panel right here. Then you can scroll down a little bit, click here for Bybit, and then it will open the same pop-up window right here. Then you can simply click here connect, and notice that now it might require you to log in again, and here you can authorize the connection. Before that, you want to notice that when you do this, TradingView is requesting access to the following functions in your trading account: placing orders, closing position, viewing asset balances. So whenever you connect any third party to your exchange account, that brings an additional counterparty risk, because now TradingView will be able to trade on your account. I recommend that you only keep this connection while you are actively trading and then disconnect it afterwards. I will show how you can do it later. You can also set up notifications and alerts on your Bybit account, so if anything unusual would happen, you see it immediately and you can react. If you are sure that you want to continue, you can click here authorize, and here you can see on the bottom Bybit is now connected with my TradingView. Now that they are connected, let me show how I can trade on TradingView. I will come here into search and I will first show you the spot trading, and then we will move into derivatives trading, and I will also show you the webhook signal trading bot and how you can set it up. Here is BTC USDT spot, so let's start with that one. Now you can see the amount of USDT available on my Bybit account on the spot, and then also the BTC available, so you can keep them in mind. And let's execute some trades here on the TradingView now that they are connected. I click here buy, then it allows me to set the order here. Let's use the market order, and I click here buy, and you can see what happens. The order was executed immediately here on the Bybit website. Now I have only 50 USDT available. Let me do another order. I click here buy, I click here buy again, and you can see it executed the trade on Bybit. You noticed here when I click here buy, it opens a separate view here where I will be able to do the settings. But if you want to do the trading even faster, if you do short-term trading, this might be useful. You click on the right side of your mouse, then you come here into settings, and click here instant orders placement. I click here OK, and now when I click this button it will instantly make the order. Let me just show you. I click here buy. You can see it made the order immediately. If I click here sell, you can see it made the order as well immediately. But that is only if you need to do the trades fast. Otherwise, you probably don't need this instant order placement. You can simply click here first buy, and then you can go through the details right here. Now let's go through also the futures trading. I will show you here some examples with the Ethereum USDT trading pairs. Since I already have some positions with the BTC, you can see here, and now we will show examples with Ethereum USDT perpetual. So now we will need to search for the trading pair again on TradingView. So I click right here, and then I will delete this one. I can type here Ethereum, and you can see here Ethereum USDT perpetual contract. I click right there, and now it's open right here. It's the same as this one. And now again the same, if you want to do instant orders, you can come here into settings and choose instant orders here. But let me just illustrate how to do usually. I click right here, and then it opens it for me right here. And now I'm able to buy and sell simply by putting the amounts here and click here buy. Then it will open the positions here on my Bybit futures account. With some platforms, you are not able to change the leverage on the derivatives trading when you are connected with TradingView, but with Bybit, you seem to be able to do it. If not, then you can simply change the leverage right here on Bybit, and it should reflect here on your TradingView account as well. Let's make an example order. I have put here 0.01 units. I click here buy, and you can see it's executed, market order executed. When we go back to Bybit, you can see it right here. Ethereum USDT order is done. Now if I want to close this order, I can alternatively close it here on Bybit, or I can do it on the TradingView website. Let me just give you an example here. Market, confirm, and you can see order has been closed. Next, I will show you how to use the Webhook signal trading bot. But if you want me to cover any specific feature in the future videos, tell me right here in the comments below, because I love to create videos based on your requests. The first step is to click here tools, and you can see there are many different tools. One of them is called Webhook Signal Trading. Trade automatically with signals from TradingView. Click right that. Then it says Webhook Signal Trading. Create the webhook on Bybit. Run a strategy on TradingView. Run the webhook and receive signals. They also provide the setup tutorial right here, but let me show how it's done. You click here Create Now. Then it gives you some disclaimers here so that you understand what you are doing, because running this kind of webhook obviously brings risks. Once you have understood that, you click here I have confirmed the above. Then you give your signal a name. Let me type here YouTube example signal, and I click here create webhook. Now it gives you the message template and the webhook URL, and you shouldn't share them, as it says here in the warning message. Please do not share your webhook URL with others, as you may be vulnerable to receiving false or scam messages. Now before you copy paste your message template and webhook URL, you can choose your strategy here on TradingView that you want your bot to follow. You can click here for indicators and then for strategies, and there are of course lots of strategies, and you can even create your own strategy if you want. Let's click for the first one on the top. It opens it here below. Then the next one, Bollinger Bands strategy. The next one, Bollinger Bands strategy directed. Then the next one, here is the average rate and some other data. Total trades 164. Now if you want to connect this one, you can click here create alert and copy paste the message right here from Bybit. You click here copy. It says successfully copied. You paste it here. Then you come into notifications. You come back here and click copy. It says successfully copied. You paste your webhook URL right here. Then you click create, and the alert has been created. Then I come back to Bybit. I click here run the webhook. It again verifies do you want to proceed, because now it will be able to do the trades for you automatically. You can click here confirm. And you can see it's now up and running. Let's click here for tools and then we click for webhook, and you can see status active and running, and now it can start executing the trades as long as you have funds available in your trading account. If you want to pause it anytime, you can click right here, and then you can continue it again later. Or if you want to terminate it completely, you can click right here, and of course for more details you can click here. So let me show an example of terminating it. Once you are ready and satisfied with the results, you click here confirm, and you can see successfully cancelled. So that's how you can go from 0 to running the webhook and then also to terminate it. And now, how can you disconnect Bybit from TradingView once you have done the trading? It's really easy. You can simply click here for Bybit, then you can see Bybit right here, you click it, then you click here log out Bybit, and you can see we are back to 0. Now if you want to connect them again, you do the same, come to trading panel, then click here Bybit, and then do the connection. But I recommend that you disconnect unless you are actively trading to keep your account safe. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. Bybit, Ultimate Guide and more.